2025 is a wild year for motorcycles. Demand is at an all-time high, and these 7 bikes are selling out fast across the US. Whether you're a weekend cruiser or a speed demon, one of these might just be your next ride. 7. Harley-Davidson Road Glide, the king of American highways. The Harley-Davidson Road Glide continues to dominate in 2025. With new tech upgrades and unmatched comfort, it's the go-to for long-distance riders and bagger fans alike. 6. Yamaha MT07. The Yamaha MT07 is all about raw, lightweight fun, affordable, agile, and powerful. This naked sport bike is selling like hotcakes among younger riders and commuters. 5. Honda Rebel 500. Back again with massive demand, the Honda Rebel 500 is the ultimate beginner cruiser. Seniors, women, new riders, everyone loves its low weight and stylish, custom-friendly design. 4. BMW R1300GS. The adventure bike world is still ruled by the mighty BMW GS. With the new R1300GS, BMW shaved off weight, added more power, and kept the tech futuristic. ADV riders are buying it faster than dealerships can stock it. 3. Kawasaki Ninja ZX 6R Super Sport still sells strong. The ZX 6R makes a comeback in 2025 with refined performance and aggressive styling. Track day warriors and sport bike lovers can't get enough. 2. Royal Enfield Classic. Royal Enfield hits a retro sweet spot with the Classic 350. Riders who want timeless looks without breaking the bank are buying this bike in massive numbers across the world, including the US one. KTM 390, Duke the ultimate beginner street fighter? Many say yes. The KTM 390 Duke is still hot in 2025 for urban riders, college students, and even seasoned riders who want lightweight thrills. From cruisers to ADV beasts, these bikes are leading the pack in 2025. But hurry, some of these models are already sold out in major US cities. Which one would you pick? If your dream bike's on this list, you might want to move fast. Let us know which one you'd ride. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle insights.